How to change language and Spendee application. Are you guys facing issues to change language and Spendee app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now scroll down. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Just simply tap on Advanced. After you click on Advanced, now click on Language, first option. You will be provided with multiple languages over here. Select it according to your preference. If you want to change it to German, then just simply tap on German. Now you need to restart the application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change our language and Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.